have been exploring multiple automation tools and platforms available. And finally, we got convinced with UiPath. One of the key reasons is that it has got tremendous futures. That's one of the things. And it's
working into XTGlobal from past 15 years. So this is my second company. So as I told you, a lot of it's the opportunity to move from tech, non-tech to tech, other technology to RPA. So I started my career with the testing.
I'm the official chapter lead for the Hyderabad region, and I have like 35,000 people in the LinkedIn, and I have 3,500 subscribers in the YouTube. So it's all about the passion, and it's all about the things we do and we grow together.